If you are tired of using maida, that is all-purpose flour, in your cooking and baking, there are several healthy flour alternatives you can try. Here are 5 options: almond flour, ragi, that is finger millet flour, besan, also known as chickpea flour, whole wheat flour, and oats flour. Each of these flours has its own unique characteristics and uses, and they can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways. Almond flour, a nutritious and versatile option. Almond flour is a popular choice for baking and cooking due to its rich, nutty flavor and high nutritional content. It's made from ground almonds and is a good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Almond flour is also low in carbohydrates, making it a great option for those following a low-carb diet. To use almond flour, you can substitute it for traditional flour in recipes for cakes, cookies, and pastries. However, keep in mind that almond flour absorbs more liquid than traditional flour, so you may need to adjust the liquid content of your recipe accordingly. A good ratio to start with is 1:1, but you may need to add more liquid depending on the specific recipe. Almond flour is also a great option for making gluten-free baked goods, and it can be used to make a variety of desserts, such as cakes, cookies, and tarts. Ragi flour, a nutrient-rich option. Ragi flour, also known as finger millet flour, is a nutrient-rich flour that's high in fiber, calcium, and iron. It's often used in traditional Indian recipes and is known for its health benefits, including aiding digestion and helping to manage blood sugar levels. To use ragi flour, you can make a variety of dishes such as rotis, dosas, and idlis. You can also use ragi flour to make baked goods like muffins and cakes. When using ragi flour, it's often best to combine it with other flours, such as whole wheat or rice flour, to achieve a better texture. Ragi flour can also be used to make a variety of snacks, such as ragi chips and ragi crackers. Besan, a protein-rich option. Besan, or chickpea flour, is a popular flour alternative that's high in protein and fiber. It's often used in Indian cooking to make dishes like pakoras, chillas, and besan laddus. To use besan, you can mix it with water or buttermilk to make a batter, and then add spices and herbs to taste. Besan can also be used as a thickening agent in soups and stews. Besan is a great option for those looking for a gluten-free flour alternative, and it can be used to make a variety of dishes, including savory snacks, desserts, and main courses. Whole wheat flour, a healthier alternative. Whole wheat flour is a healthier alternative to maida that's made from the entire wheat grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. It's high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and can be used to make a variety of baked goods, such as bread, rotis, and muffins. When using whole wheat flour, it's best to use a combination of whole wheat and all-purpose flour to achieve a lighter texture. Whole wheat flour can also be used to make a variety of snacks, such as whole wheat crackers and whole wheat cookies. Oats flour, a fiber-rich option. Oats flour is a great option for making baked goods like muffins, cakes, and cookies. It's high in fiber and can help keep you full for longer. To use oats flour, you can simply grind rolled oats or steel-cut oats in a blender or food processor until they reach a fine powder. Oats flour can be used as a 1:1 substitute for traditional flour in many recipes, but you may need to adjust the liquid content slightly. Oats flour is also a great option for those looking for a gluten-free flour alternative, and it can be used to make a variety of dishes, including baked goods, snacks, and desserts. Here are some tips for using healthy flour alternatives. When using healthy flour alternatives, it's often best to experiment with different combinations of flours to achieve the desired texture and flavor. You may also need to adjust the liquid content of your recipe, as some flours absorb more liquid than others. Additionally, be sure to store your flours in an airtight container to keep them fresh and prevent spoilage. By incorporating healthy flour alternatives into your diet, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious dishes while also improving your overall health and well-being. In conclusion, there are many healthy flour alternatives that can be used in place of maida, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. By experimenting with different flours and recipes, you can find new ways to enjoy your favorite dishes while also improving your overall health and well-being. Whether you are looking to reduce your gluten intake, increase your fiber consumption, or simply try new flavors and textures,